Electronic calibration is a precision, single connection calibration method for your vector network analyzer. Hi, I'm Matt, and I'm an engineer here at Keysight. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a calibration with one of our E-Cal modules. Traditional two-port mechanical calibration requires 7 connections. That's 7 connections of wear on your connectors, and 7 steps where error can be introduced. E-Cal save you from multiple connections and possible errors, but most importantly, they save you time. To use an E-Cal, simply connect the USB cord and test cables. Go to the calibration wizard and select the type of calibration you would like to run. Follow through the steps of the wizard to customize your calibration. Once you've finished setting up your calibration, go ahead and start it. Now the E-Cal is going to simulate short, open, load, and through connections just like it would with a mechanical cal, and it's done. This calibration is accurate, repeatable, and fast. There's plenty of electronic calibration modules to choose from these days, so what should you consider when shopping for one? One of the most important specs of a calibration kit is the frequency range. Your calibration is only valid for the range in which you've calibrated, so it is important to find a kit that matches your calibration needs. Traditionally, you needed a mechanical calibration kit to cover low frequencies at or near DC. The N4694D is able to calibrate from DC all the way up to 67 GHz with just one connection. Speaking of connections, Keysight E-Cal modules have a broad range of connector impedances and sizes available. You can even customize the gender of each connector for a given connector type. This allows you to customize your calibration to match your device as closely as possible. If you want to use an E-Cal with a unique connection setup, you can recharacterize the E-Cal to account for mixed connectors, waveguides, or other fixtures. At calibration, you'll be able to select the factory characterization or any of your user-defined characterizations. The wide frequency range, broad choice in connections, and the ability to characterize your own calibrations make these E-Cal modules incredibly versatile tools that can help you with all kinds of measurements.